for coming. Today we're going to do a little drinking glass for girls night. So I got this jar, this glass. I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They also sell these at Walmart. They're plastic. You get like pink, blue. I think they're the only two colors I've seen in my store. I'm not quite sure what other stores carry what, but I do know this came from the Dollar Tree. This is glass, and Walmart has the plastic ones. But this can sit two ways. You can sit up like this, and your drink can sit up straight, or it can tilt. And usually they have the liquor in there, and they put the Swedish fish in there, and you had a girls' night out. You can also use these for like the bachelorette parties, for your bridal party. You give them to your maid of honors and things like that. So what I do is, the circle that's on the side, I would just measure it. And you'll measure how big you want your sand to go. I'm going to use Oracle 651. So you could pick whatever color you would like. And today I'm going to use navy blue. And you'll see it right here on the side. We're going to do this one. It says cheers to 21 years. And I also have one that's yellow that I already used the transfer tape and pulled it off the paper. And this one says girls trip. So I showed you how to use the measuring tape here. You can get this off of Amazon. I got this from one of the kits that I had with like the smoothies and stuff that came with. So that's what I'm using this for. And I use the scraper to scrape the vinyl like this to make it transfer in your glass. So we did the measuring already. So we're gonna have the glass like this to sit up. I'm not gonna put the stand this way. I'm gonna have it so when it stands up, it'll be straight up. So I will just rub it like this. And if you want to, I did it with my hands, and usually it worked. But we're going to take the scraper. If you have one, if you don't have one, you can use a credit card, a gift card. You know how you have empty gift cards around the house, something like that. And you just pull it out, and there you have it. It says girls trip. So on this side. And we're gonna have it sit. You see how it's standing straight up like that? See, if we go this way, it will be like this. So we're gonna have it like this. When you put the straw and your drink in there and your straw in there, you got your drink standing straight up. So on this side, we're gonna do the same exact thing. But I'm just gonna put this here for a second because I'm gonna scrape the cheers to 21 years. And hopefully you won't be shaking too much. Okay, so we have it right here. So cheers to 21 years. So I'm just gonna move this out the way. And we're gonna bring this back down. I wiped this off too, due to the fact of you'll have your fingerprints and stuff on there. So we'll have it just like this. And so this side I have cheers to 21 years, and I'm gonna put something in here so you can see it. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better. So this side say cheers to 21 years, and then this side has girls trip, and you have your drink in there. It's a cute little gift to give for your friends on girls trip when you go out with your girlfriends. Or cheers to 21 years, and you can put like maid of honor, bridesmaids, Shakira, like your name on there. There's many different things you can do with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please sub to the channel. Thank you. Bye.